Smartwatch with earbuds, 2-in-1 men's smartwatch with earbuds built in of strong sound effects music lover. In the realm of wearable technology, innovation knows no bounds. Enter the latest marvel, the 2-in-1 smartwatch with earbuds. This cutting-edge device seamlessly integrates the convenience of wireless earbuds with the practicality of a feature-rich smartwatch, catering to the needs and preferences of modern consumers, particularly music enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals. Request to you, watch the video till the end. Unveiling the Fusion. This smartwatch earbud hybrid boasts a sleek design and a host of impressive features. With a weight of just 83 g and a vibrant 1.52 IPS screen, it offers both style and substance. Powered by a robust chipset including the 8763EW for the smartwatch and Realtek RTL8753 BFR for the earbuds, it delivers seamless performance and reliable connectivity. Product links are given in the description and comments section. Dual delights. One of the standout features of this device is its dual functionality. On one hand, it is a comprehensive smartwatch with essential health monitoring capabilities. From real-time heart rate and blood pressure monitoring to sleep tracking and activity analysis, it empowers users to take charge of their well-being with precision and ease. On the other hand, the built-in earbuds elevate the music listening experience to new heights. Featuring advanced sound technology and a metal design for optimal audio quality, these earbuds ensure crystal-clear sound reproduction and immersive listening sessions. The integration of two-way noise reduction and Bluetooth 5.0 technology further enhances the audio experience, allowing users to enjoy their favorite tunes with unparalleled clarity and depth. Product links are given in the description and comments section. Practicality meets performance. Beyond its stylish exterior and advanced features, this 2-in-1 device excels in practicality and performance. The smartwatch boasts a formidable battery life of over 25 days on standby, ensuring uninterrupted daily usage. Additionally, the earbuds can provide seamless integration. Furthermore, the integration of the earbuds into the watch's design offers unparalleled convenience. When not in use, the earbuds can be conveniently stored in the watch's magnetic charging case, ensuring they remain secure and fully charged whenever needed. This seamless integration minimizes clutter and streamlines the user experience, making transitioning between smartwatch and earbud functionalities effortless. Product links are given in the description and comments section. The ultimate companion. In conclusion, the 2-in-1 smartwatch with earbuds represents the pinnacle of wearable technology innovation. By combining the functionality of a smartwatch with the immersive audio experience of wireless earbuds, it caters to the diverse needs and preferences of today's tech-savvy consumers. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a music lover, or a busy professional, this versatile device is poised to become your ultimate companion, seamlessly blending style, functionality, and performance in one sleek package. Product links are given in the description and comments section. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please share the video.